The 2017 Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato Volante. The second-generation V12 Vanquish was introduced in 2012, 11 years after Aston Martin used the nameplate to replace the aging Virage. Although it borrows the same styling cues made popular by the DB9, the Vanquish stands out thanks to its design features inspired by the 177 supercar, sporty yet stylish interior, and a powerful 5.9-liter V12 engine. Set to be replaced before 2018, the Vanquish is still being used as a base for numerous limited edition Grand Tourers. In 2016, Aston Martin unveiled the Vanquish Zagato, the fifth car to emerge from a collaboration that stretches back over 5 decades. Previewed by a concept car that Aston Martin showcased at the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este earlier in 2016, the production coupe has been joined by a convertible at the 2016 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. Set to be produced in only 99 units, just like the coupe, the Vanquish Zagato Volante follows in the footsteps of the 1987 V8 Vantage Volante and the 2003 DB AR1 as an exclusive Zagato-built sports car with a bespoke body. And, if its predecessors are any indication, the Vanquish Zagato Volante will become one of the rarest Aston Martins ever created. Updated August 21, 2017, we added a series of new images taken during the 2017 Monterey Car Week. Continue reading to learn more about the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato Volante. What makes the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato Volante special? Aside from the missing roof, the Vanquish Zagato Volante is identical to the coupe. Aside from the missing roof, the Vanquish Zagato Volante is identical to the coupe that was unveiled in June 2016, including the fact that its body is made entirely of carbon fiber. This is both good and bad news. The good news is that it gets all the cool design cues seen on the Zagato Pen coupe. The drop top sports the same massive grille with LED daytime running lights at each corner, the big splitter underneath, and the muscular engine hood at the front. Onto the side, it has the same sculpted side skirts, a DB11-inspired fender strake, and 177-inspired side mirrors. Around back, the sculptural styling is complemented by a retractable spoiler, round taillights that harken back to classic Zagato designs, Vulcan-inspired bladed LED lights, and a quad exhaust layout integrated into a sporty diffuser. As the trunk lid has been reshaped in the absence of a metal roof. The tailgate has been replaced by a conventional lid. It's here when the Volante begins to look different, as the trunk lid has been reshaped in the absence of a metal roof. The tailgate has been replaced by a conventional lid, which features a prominent recess in the middle that splits the decklid into 2 flying buttress-like elements. The bad news is that Zagato's unique roof for the Vanquish is gone. Okay, I admit I'm overreacting. The 2-door looks gorgeous without a top too, but I'm a big fan of the coupe's double bubble design, a feature originally conceived to enable race cars to accommodate racing helmets with a minimum impact on the aerodynamic profile. I've always loved seeing this race spec element on a road car, and for that reason alone I find the Volante to be less exciting than the coupe. Overall design remained unchanged. The cabin was enhanced with high-end materials and special features that can't be had on regular Aston Martins. Inside, the Zagato is less revolutionary, being almost identical to the standard Vanquish Volante. But even though the overall design remained unchanged, the cabin was enhanced with high-end materials and special features that can't be had on regular Aston Martins. The first thing that catches the eye is the herringbone carbon fiber painted with anodized bronze detailing on the center stack. There's also the aniline leather and a unique Z quilt pattern stitch on the seats and door panels, as well as the Z embossed headrests and center console and double contrast stitching on the upper door panels. The main differences here compared to the coupe are the missing Z headliner stitching and the infinite headroom that comes with a convertible. Of course, for the comfort of a closed cockpit car during cold and rainy weather, the Volante hides a bespoke folding roof inside the luggage compartment. The mechanism is based on that of the standard Vanquish Volante, but features certain modifications in order to match the new exterior design and revised trunk lid. The Vanquish Zagato Volante gets its juice from a beefed-up, naturally aspirated, 5.9-liter V12 that cranks out 600 PS, 592 horsepower, and 465 pound-feet of torque. The drivetrain is also identical to the coupes, which means that the Vanquish Zagato Volante gets its juice from a beefed-up, naturally aspirated, 5.9-liter V12 that cranks out 600 PS, 592 horsepower, and 465 pound-feet of torque. That's 24 PS, 24 horsepower, more than the standard Vanquish, an advantage that improves the 0 to 60 mph sprint by a tenth second to 3.7 ticks. However, this output is available in the UK and Europe, with the US version being rated at 580 horses, only a 12 horsepower improvement over the standard model. The 8-speed automatic transmission remains standard. Aston Martin had nothing to say about the car's suspension, but given that the coupe benefits from a unique setup, it's safe to assume that convertible also has bespoke configuration. No word on pricing yet, but production will be limited to 99 units, just like the coupe. Expect the Zagato-designed convertible to cost in excess of $450,000. References. Read our full review on the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato. Read our full review on the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato Speedster. Update history. Update July 25, 2017. Although the production model was unveiled in 2016, it took Aston Martin almost a year to roll out the first customer cars. These were spotted for the first time in July 2017, when the British firm took one example to the Nürburgring for some proper flogging. Spy shots. July 25, 2017. First production version caught testing around Nürburgring.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.